Everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to solve payment limits exceeded in GPay. You see, to resolve this issue on Google Pay, here's the simplest guide. 1. Patience. You need to wait for the next day. See, the standard daily transaction limit across all unified payments interface apps, including GPay, is generally this amount. Additionally, there's a limit of 20 transactions per day. If you've reached either of these limits, you will need to wait until the next day, usually after 3 p.m., 24 hours from your first transaction, for the limits to reset. Now, while the daily limit is that amount we mentioned, that is this amount over here, some banks have lower per transaction limits. Try making a smaller payment. For new GPay users, there might be a lower initial pre-transaction limit, e.g., this amount for the first 24 hours. So next, in some cases, exceeding certain threshold might require you to verify your identity within the Google Pay app. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the verification process. Don't forget to contact your bank, because banks can have their own specific UPI transaction limits, which might be different from the standard GPay limits. Contact them to see the possibility to increase it. Next, some banks offer higher transaction limits for premium or salary accounts. If you frequently encounter this issue, consider upgrading your bank account type. If you have multiple bank accounts, you can link them to GPay and spread your transaction across these accounts to avoid hitting the limit on a single account. So it's as simple as that. Now, it's further for you to consider the total UPI limit and the new payee restriction. There could be also technical issues, so although it's less common, could sometimes be due to technical glitch with the GPay app or the bank system. So ensure your app is updated to the latest version. In the problem process, try again later or contact